Rosie's here. We're having a good, well, she's having a good sniff, not me. Yeah, I'm just coming to drop the camera off. It's been snowing. What's the weather like where you are? Is it snowing where you are? Or, well, it's flipping freezing, I can tell you that much. So this is going to be a drop off the wildlife camera vlog. It's very short and sweet. But, I mean, yeah, it's one of those. There are people here, so, but they're in the distance, so that's fine. And it's actually snowing right now, but very lightly. It got quite heavy, but it stopped. So let's go to the plot and put this wildlife camera. There was nothing yesterday, which was a bit of a shame. A fox had activated it, but you saw the back end of his tail in half a second at the very beginning. So yeah. Right, let's go. Come on, Rosie, stop eating grass. Let's go. I'm just keeping Rosie on the lead because there are people about. I don't want to risk anything, but it's good to see what's going on the plots. Put the camera in. She might be quite annoyed at seeing her ball in the pond. It'll be interesting to see what she does with that. Nothing's changed from yesterday, which is great. Yeah. I'm going to attach Rosie to this pole. Right, sit. Right, we'll wait. Okay, let's just put this. I'm just putting the camera here. Come on. Oh. Right. Oh, there you go. Yeah, camera's in. Hopefully tomorrow, it'll probably be on tomorrow's vlog because today's, or it might be on today's, the end of, if there are any animals, wildlife, what have you, it'll be the end of this vlog. Well, thanks for watching everyone. Short and sweet. See you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, Rosie. Say bye. He's a good girl. Oh, she's like Tigger sometimes. I should have named you Tigger, Rosie. Rosie's inappropriate. Tigger would have been better. Oh, off. Yeah, it's snowing. Oh dear. Back home. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. See you on the next one.